All right, we here at the shop. We about to do some work on the hatch. My dog JP just rolled up. See what my dog doing real quick, man. Hey, man.
Hey, man.
Hey, what you got there?
Hey,
Damn, my dog. Hey, my dog be coming
hungry,
through,
dog?
bro. I've been starving. I was about to go to the gas station. My dog just brought some random food, bro.
Yeah, man.
Oh, it smells good, man.
It's good, man. We got cheese, we got salsa, man. We got a bit of sour cream, man. We got
My mouth watering right now, man.
everything, man.
Dang, he said he
Right,
ready.
dog.
He finna get me right, and then we gonna go work on that thing.
Yeah. We're gonna do that thing in.
I'm gonna explain in a second what we got going on. Let me scarf this down real quick, man.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna explain what's going on right now. You know, I've been rocking the R154 for a long time. Back in the day when I put it in, you know, R154 was that thing, you know what I'm saying? But I had it built, did a couple things to it. Marlin Crawler forks, version 2.0, did the HD retainer, all that stuff. But as y'all know, with the R154s, they're super notchy, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much over that. I went ahead and went with the PMC adapter kit, so I can run the CD trans with the external slave. Look at that quality, man.
That's
Beautiful.
CNC machine.
It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful thing.
It's bright like your smile, man.
Hey, man. Hey.
You know what I'm saying? I got ACT clutch and the flywheel with the kit. And I went with the earlier trans just because it was cheap and external, and later on I'll upgrade if I need to or whatever the case may be. And went with the GK Tech shifter. So we're gonna do a little bit of mocking up. I know we gotta do some banging here on the tunnel and stuff for it to fit. So we're gonna work on that. I know I gotta cut hair out too for the GK Tech shifter to fit. Ooh, that'd be crusty, dog. Why'd that be so crusty, dog?
All that oil.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Dang.
Hey man, stop looking too hard, man. Stop looking too hard, man.
Look. Get that. Ooh, she's so nasty. And dumb too.
All right, so we're gonna start mocking up, see what we come up with. I'm gonna do all this. I like to do the S13 subframe with the 350Z diff, but I mean, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna just get us all mocked up, do the diff, then I can get a measurement, and that way I can order a drive shaft. So then once I order the drive shaft and stuff like that, I'm gonna try and pull my motor back out, all the stuff back out, and try and do a fresh up on everything, and try and get her right for next year, which I've been slacking and procrastinating this year. So
we ain't doing that this year.
Well, we talk about what you say, dog.
We are not doing that this year, man. We want a fail-safe car this year, man. We want everything to be clean. We don't want no leaks. We want everything to be clean, man.
Yeah, I be going out and having mad excuses, so I'm gonna try and stop that this year. I just want everything working right, and just party when I go out, man. So that's where I'm going with it.
Yeah.
But all right, let's get to doing some things, man.
Let's do it.
All right, so I'm going to start with pulling out this bearing right here. That way the flywheel bushing could seat in there. So I'm gonna start with that. It's cause you tall, man.
Like you got, but still. Oh, but you did shoulders though.
I was weak.
You did shoulders yesterday.
I was weak, man. Hey, man, JB hit it with 2 hits, bro. It's out. Here they go. That thing went flying. It was like, ding. Hey, this little tool. Like this. You know, Paul's got tools just chilling here. You know what I'm saying? Looking out. Is that little thing? That's the first time I used the tool, man. I ain't gonna lie. I usually don't use the tool, man.
Hey, always use the right tools, man.
Right tool for the
Unless
job.
you know how to do it right in a fucked up way that always works, just get the right tool, man. It's gonna save you so much time, brother.
I don't know what the right tool means. All right. So next, we're gonna have to put the automatic flywheel on. That way, you know, that thing can start, man.
Automatic flywheel, rusty as fuck.
Hey, man, we just test fitting, man.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's good.
We got that thing there.
Yeah.
You got it. All right, next we're gonna put the flywheel on. I'm kind of short right now, man. We got it at JP's height. I normally don't got that problem, but today we do. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in now.
Yes, hey. That's what real boys do, bro. You just say, fuck it. I got all the parts. I'm gonna put it together, man.
So, totally forgot to put the adapter on, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pull this off and start with that. That's step number 1.
So what's going on now?
Well, the adapter plate is pretty big, so I'm gonna have to hammer out my hull a little bit more, a lot of bit more, so it can fit. So, on the step 1 of fabrication that I kind of did with my R154.
Test fit number 3.
I think I need another set of dowel pins though.
Dowel pins for quick.
I need one more set of dowel pins for the 20.
Ooh.
That looks like it clears much better.
Yeah, it does. Bro, getting them, like these bolts up here are gonna be fucking impossible.
Yeah,
look at the angle on it.
Need to hammer that bitch up some.
Or like when we take the motor out, my advice is to put the motor in, take the motor out. Yeah. You got it.
I'm listening.
Oh, take the motor and trans out and then put the trans in, but then damn, but like at the track though. But you shouldn't have to take it out. It's like, it's a lot stronger. You know what I'm saying? Like you shouldn't blow it up. But
yeah, man, let's do city chains. It's gonna be great, bro. Oh,
it'll be fun, they said. How you feeling about it right now, though?
It's gonna suck for like the first couple days. First couple hours, however long it takes, I don't know.
Couple days.
There's gonna be some hammering and some, well, we're only working on it for X amount of hours a day. An hour, 2 hours a day.
Yeah, because we're pretty much, we got shit to do during the day. We kind of like slaves, we gotta work.
Yeah, unfortunately. Y'all ain't hit the subscribe, share, like, comment button, so we gotta be a slave, man.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. It's free. So annoying, bro. And if you don't have a Gmail account, get one. And then put yourself on YouTube, man, and then subscribe. It's that easy. It's that easy, man. When you want good content like this, that's what y'all need, man. You want to see some cool shit, the shit that we doing, even though it's ghetto sometimes.
All the time.
Hey, it's what you need, man.
Is this the one, man?
Check us out.
Come on, be the one, man.
Oh, man.
Nope, I need to go a hair shorter now. I feel like I just need to delete this fucking line, to be honest.
That's what I was saying.
I need to do like steel braided line.
Yeah.
Which I'll never buy.
So, explain what happened.
So, we started putting the plate on. So, step number 1 is banging your firewall, I guess. And then step number 2 is gonna be remove your water line and make it accessible to where it can move. Remove or move, one of the two. Because the plate won't sit flat. Now, I could have probably bolted it and mushed it, but it's probably gonna wear from it rubbing on it, so I'm trying not to let that happen. Should have just bolted it. Cut that part out.
like, bro, that's not how you build cars, bro.
Alright, we got that line pushed back and we got the plate on. So now we're gonna put the flywheel on. Alright, flywheel on. Well, automatic flex plate. Alright, it's late. It's like 12 o'clock. We got the clutch bolted. It was a little bit of a mission because we had to refigure everything out. But it's time to go, man. We tired, dog. We gotta be up in a couple hours. Gotta have work in the morning, so we out for the night.